To reinstall the top box glass, make sure the top LCD is released from the cabinet and has been moved away from the cabinet. Use 2 people to reinstall the top box glass. Align the 4 studs, 2 on each side, into the slots to secure the top box glass. Reconnect the cable and turn the top box power back on. Once you power on the top box, make sure you hear the fans running and see the lights on the communication board flickering. You do not have power to the top box glass until it is pushed back into place and locked in.